Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be walking you through how to set up a crypto wallet on Trust Wallet, a secure and user-friendly platform for managing your cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. Download Trust Wallet. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Trust Wallet app. Once installed, open the app to begin the setup process. Create a new wallet. Tap on Create a New Wallet. You'll be prompted to agree to the terms of service before proceeding. Back up your recovery phrase. Trust Wallet will generate a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down and store it securely. This phrase is your key to accessing your wallet if you lose your device. Never share it with anyone. Verify your recovery phrase. To ensure you've saved it correctly, the app will ask you to input the recovery phrase in the correct order. Complete this step to secure your wallet. Explore the wallet interface. Once your wallet is set up, you'll see the main dashboard. Here, you can view your balance, access supported cryptocurrencies, and manage tokens. Add cryptocurrencies. Tap the plus icon to add supported cryptocurrencies to your wallet. You can search for specific tokens or scroll through the list of available options. Fund your wallet. To receive cryptocurrency, tap Receive, select the desired token, and share your wallet address. You can also use the QR code provided for convenience. Enable security features. Go to Settings and enable additional security measures like biometric authentication or a passcode for enhanced protection. Start using your wallet. You're now ready to send, receive, and store cryptocurrencies securely. Trust Wallet also supports Decentralized apps, DApps, for additional functionality. Setting up a crypto wallet on Trust Wallet is quick and easy, giving you full control of your digital assets. Have you tried Trust Wallet? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.